Hello everyone, this is Leon Vanguard of Vanguard Smithing, and today we're going to be working on the Dwarven Archery Vambrace. It's a really simple piece with clean lines that has just a nice look. Let's get started. One of the benefits of working with leather and metal and real nice base materials is you can often let the piece speak for itself. In this case, the leather will age. The leather will get some hues and other color tones in it, and it'll age really well. Let's get going and let's show how we start this. Okay, here's a look at some of the tools we're going to be using today. One, the pencil, leather cutting scissors, one of those pieces that you do want to spend more money on now, $30 to $50 range. A number 2 or number 3 edge trimmer. This is traditionally used just for beveling or starting off your lines for your stitching. A pair of hole punchers. Again, you should be spending 30 to 50 bucks on a pair of these. And all these are found at Tenny Leather except for the pencil that you can find anywhere. Not sponsored. Just this is the only place locally I can really find leather crafting supplies. First, the most important thing, the leather. Alright, find a nice clean area over here in the corner. Want to waste as little leather as possible. Slide the tool along the edge. Make sure to keep your fingers out of the path in case you slip, like that. One, 2, 3, 4, punch, and twist. One of the most important steps for any shop, adding your touch mark. Bam! Using the Tenny Leather water stain. This is the stain you want to be using. Any stain will work. Again, Tenny Leather not sponsored, just where I get my supplies. And now you've sealed the end. Careful, that is literally like liquid wax right now and very hot. Next you're going to massage your piece a little bit, lengthwise. Just quickly observe the way your threads look. Is that the way you want it? Is that the way I like it? Yes. So, to keep this from being annoying later, we're going to do one single knot at the tip. up to your fingertips. Other around. Knot. It's take a little bit of practice, but it's quite easy. Again, that's why I love these lines, this design. Nice even flow. And great look. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Here's the final look at the Dwarven Archery Vambraces, first worn as standard, and then as the actual archery guard here. Simple, but with a nice antique look. Very sturdy, and will age very well. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I love responding to comments. And if you have any questions, if I didn't get anything in shot, or if you have anything you like to know more about, please let me know. And if you want to support the channel, just check the link in the description. Have a good night.